Hi, this is Dubey's Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. I'm excited today, being 14th of November, because all our analysis last week worked as analyzed. So I'm so excited, guys. We are actually imparting on people's life. If you are not following our channel, you are missing something. Please subscribe to this channel, Dubey's Forex Academy, and ensure you turn on the notification button and share our videos. Share it with your friends, guys. Let's make money together. So I'm excited today, 14th of November 2022. Last week all our analysis worked as analyzed. So we are going to start with gold. This is gold, XAUUSD, which is gold. All right, so last week we told you that gold is going to go up to 1720, 1730. In fact, if you have been following us on this channel, we told you that we are bullish on gold, and I draw this down. You can see what I draw down. I draw this down, and I told you that this, from this point, let me expand more. From this point, this is the point we started buying. It bought, it came down, we started buying again, and I told you that it will go up to 1760, 80, and even up to 1800. Yes, I remember I told you that it will get to 1730, and that places the resistance. If you retrace from there, that's the next stop will be around 1800. At the moment, it has broken 1730, just like the way we analyzed that it will get to 1730 last week. So it has actually broken that 1730. It's currently around 1761. So it's gradually going to our D point for Excel, because we also love to sell gold. Once we see a very good opportunity, we tried to sell last Friday, but it still tried to move up more. But we'll try to catch the sell, because gold definitely, when it gets to maybe probably 1800 today, it will try to do as if it wants to retrace. It's supposed to retrace and then to position to touch that 1800 or probably 1806, 1810 before it starts to fall down. So congratulations to all those that took our trades on gold. All those that took our trade on gold, I want to say a big congratulations that bought gold last week. And in fact, since over 2 weeks, we've been buying gold. All right, so let's go and see the analysis we did last week. Let's see the analysis. All right, this is the analysis where we told you guys that, look at, all right, this is the event we just did in Benin. We did events in Nigeria, Benin City. All right, so if you are not there, go to our channel, our Telegram channel, Win Forex with Dubis. Go there, you will see our sell signals and the stuff. All right, so this is the analysis. Let me scroll and see. All right, this is November, and this is the video. That video, if you watch that video, you see where we said that we're buying gold. These are some of the trades we send where we're buying gold. But let me get exactly where I said that gold would get to 1720, 1730. Let me get to that point. All right, look at it. All right, this is the video. Let me see exactly that day I said that gold will get to say, hey, look at it here. All right, you can see how we got result. We told you that gold will hit 1720 this week. 1730 is waiting. All right, so let's see if we can see exactly the day we dropped it. Okay, we dropped it on that video. If you watch that video, we dropped it on the video. Go and watch the video. This video, look at it. Go and watch this video that we sent on 7th of November 2022. Go and watch the video, and you see when we analyze it, and we told you that gold is going to go up, and it actually did as analyzed. So this is where we are today. Just go to our Telegram channel, Win Forex with Dubis. Go and check it out for yourself. Win Forex with Dubis. So this is our analysis on gold, and it actually did as analyzed. So this week, from today is 14th of November 2022. So this week, what are we expecting from gold this week? All right, we should be expecting a retracement and then more up. So this week, gold will most likely touch 1800 this week. Most likely touch 1800. So you can see the movement. Let's use this other one. Let's look at harmonics and see what harmonics is saying. If there's any retracement, yeah. Harmonics is trying to tell us that gold should go down. So we should expect something like this week. A retracement. We should expect a retracement from gold this week, and then after that, as in a pullback, then after that price should continue to touch at least 1800. So if you're looking for a good price entry point for gold, you should target around 1800, 1810, around that 1800, 1806. From there, look at it. That is the next resistance. Let me drop it properly. This is daily time frame. So let's take it, let's analyze together. This is good. So at this point, all right, so this is where we should get a good entry point. But you can equally sell the little retracements. All right. So this is the point that we start to sell gold. All right. All right. So this is my analysis for gold for this week. So congratulations to all those that bought gold based on our analysis last week and last 2 weeks. So congratulations. So let's expect a pullback from then. We look for opportunity to buy again to get to 1800. Then from there, 1800, 1806, we'll be selling gold. All right. So at the moment, I'm selling gold, just a little retracement. I'm selling gold right now for the pullback. So you can join the trade if you wish, but the movement for gold is up. So it will just come down a little, maybe around 1750, from 1750 or 1740, and then it will prepare to launch again to 1800 or beyond. All right. So let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD, I'm excited to announce that USD CAD have actually hit our target. If you have been following our videos, you will see that I was bearish on USD CAD, and we started selling USD CAD, and I draw this line. You can see what we draw. I draw it. Look at these various drawing we've done before. These are various entry points, and the target was 1.3400 and 1.3300. So this week, last week, the price actually hit our first target, 1.3400 and 1.3300. Let's look at how many pips we made from USD CAD. This is close to 500 pips made from USD CAD. These are amazing. Yes, these are amazing. What of that gold? Let's look at how many pips we made from gold. All right, let's use our latest entry, which is this green point. In fact, where we started was here. Let's look at how many pips we made. Wow, 1,500 pips on gold. This is amazing. 1,500 pips on gold. USD CAD, 500 pips on USD CAD. This is amazing. Let's look at it. So before we go to UJ, what are we expecting on USD CAD? On USD CAD, we should expect a bounce. If you have been following our videos, you will see that USD CAD, let's look at, we analyzed from this low to this high, and I said that there should be a pullback up to 38.2, 50.0 and 61.8. At the moment, 38.2 is broken, so it's getting to 50.0 and it will also touch 61.8. So the new analysis for USD CAD is we should expect a pullback maybe up to 1.3400, and then from there the price should also continue and touch 61.8. These are new analysis for USD CAD. So we should expect a pullback up to 1.3400, and then price continues to touch 61.8. So 61.8, let me drop a new line on 61.8 so that when it happens also will come back. So these are new TP. Alright, this was the previous TPs 1.3400 and 1.3300. It has hit the target. So the new analysis, new TP is 1.300. So this is where we're expecting UCAD to get to. So let me 1.300. Right. So these are new TP. So we'll leave it like this. Also, when it will happen, we'll come back and also see it. So congratulations to all those that took USD CAD. All right. So let's go to USD JPY. All right, USD JPY. If you have been following our video on USD JPY, you will see that we are also bearish on USD JPY. This was our previous analysis on USD JPY. All right, okay, this is the previous analysis on USD JPY. All right, so I told you that price will fall from this region, and eventually this was what I draw, that to get to this 50.0 at least first before 61.8. So at the moment it have touched 50.0. So let's measure from where we started selling. We started selling from this point, and this is 1000 pips on USD JPY. This is amazing. Gold 1500 pips, USD CAD 500 pips, USD JPY 1000 pips. This is amazing. Our analysis are on fire, are spot on. Please don't miss our videos. So at the moment it have actually hit our hit 50.0. so we're expecting price to continue to touch at least 61.8, but before that there is a harmonic on daily. So this week, from 14th of November being this week that we're analyzing, so let's see what we're expecting from USD JPY. Right, so what we are seeing on USD JPY, there is a harmonic on daily time frame. So I'm expecting price to bounce from this point we are right now. So I'm expecting price to bounce up to 38.2 or so of this movement. So we should be expecting something like this. At least let price bounce from this low, at least get up to this point, and then from there price continue to go down, at least go down to 61.8 or even below. So there should be a little bounce and price continue to touch this 61.8, because price have not really touched 61.8. So this week for UJ, if you're on the sell, you can actually book your profits, and then let's wait for the bounce and then look for new entry points to sell USD JPY up to 61.8. All right, that's analysis on USD JPY. So let's go to AUD/USD. All right, on AUD/USD, if you have been following our video, you see that we are bullish on AUD/USD. So AUD/USD, this was our previous analysis on AUD/USD, and all right, we said that AUD/USD, this was what I jot down, that price we get to this point, up to this point before we look for opportunity to sell. At the moment, price have gotten to the point and even broke it. So let's see how many pips that price actually made from this point. You can see this over 300 pips made from AUD USD, but look at where price touched 400 pips exactly. All right, so 400 pips. This is AUD USD on daily time frame. So based on our harmonics, you can see that there should be a retracement probably today before the price will continue to make a new high. So for those that are following our video, you know that I love harmonics. So let's look at what is harmonics giving us for this week. Harmonics is actually giving us, there is a harmonic pattern, so we should be expecting any time from here or highest from this point, we should expect a fall for AUD USD. So there should be a retracement for this week from here or from this point. Right. So, and after that, before price will continue to, if he wants to continue to make high. So congratulations for all those that took the trade on AUD USD. So we should expect a pullback first before price will continue to go up. So at the moment, if you're buying AUD USD, you need to exit your buy trade and look for opportunity to sell this pullback before we can continue to go up. All right, let's go to NZD USD. NZD USD, you can see previous analysis on NZD USD, and we told you that these were all the things we dropped before, and we said our price will get to 0.60800. This was our target. So you can see that price have actually touched our targets. Price have touched there our targets, which is we started buying from this point. This is where we started buying, and we have bought up to this point. We have bought up to this is over 500 pips too. 500 pips was made on the NZD USD. So if you have watched our previous video, you see that it has actually moved according to what we forecasted. So at the moment now, what we should be expecting is a pullback from NZD USD. We should expect a pullback from this particular point where the price is. Price is currently at a resistance. This place is a resistance. Was where we were targeting before. So we should expect a pullback this week. Today, like I said, is 14th of November 2022. So we should expect a pullback from NZD USD up to let's see, up to this point, before, if price wants to continue to go up, it can go higher. So I'm looking for opportunity to sell NZD USD, guys. It have actually moved based on analysis, so we have actually made some good profit. So we should expect a pullback on NZD USD. So congratulations once again to all those that took the trade based on our analysis last week. So this is over 500 pips also made from NZD USD. All right, so let's go to GBP USD. All right, GBP USD, same thing on GBP USD. GBP USD, I didn't really buy GBP USD. If you watched our previous video, because price was already too high, I decided to stay away from GBP USD. But I told you that once price break this level, that it will get more higher, and probably up to this point. This was the target, and it have actually touched the targets. So right now you can see where the price is. So I'm expecting a pullback on GBP USD today. I think there's a harmonics also on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, you can see the harmonics. So on a lower time frame, we should expect a pullback from GBP USD today or tomorrow. So I'll look for opportunity to sell GBP USD today and tomorrow. So once we see a valid entry point, we are going to send it to our Telegram channel, our paid Telegram channel, and we will try also to send some to free Telegram channel. All right. So, but let's see how many pips for those that took the trade, the buy on GBUSD. Let's see those that took the buy on GBUSD. All right. So it was from this the entry point. The green line is the entry point. So those that took the buy on GBUSD actually made over 300 pips on GBUSD. This is amazing. All right. So let's go to Euro USD. If you watch our previous videos, you see that we have been bullish on Euro USD. All right. While others were bearish for Euro USD, I said the bearish momentum have diminished, that we should look for opportunity to buy, and we started buying Euro USD. So remember, this was the chart that I dropped on Euro USD. I actually draw this. I said that I saw a harmonic on monthly time frame, and this harmonic I saw on monthly time frame, you can see the harmonic. This is the X, A, B, C, D. This is the D point, and we started buying from this point, and I told you that it will get to 38.2, 50.0, and probably 61.8. So at the moment, for Euro USD for this week analysis, we should expect, because of this bullish momentum, we should expect at least a pullback before price will now continue to go to the 38.2. We should at least expect a little pullback. We should expect a little pullback for Euro USD, and then price will continue to touch 38.2, and then also 61.8. So let's draw it and leave it. So if you go to lower time frame, for daily time frame, let's see, for daily time frame, if you go to daily time frame, I think there should be a harmonics on daily time frame. Let's confirm and see. There should be a harmonics, because I'm seeing something here. Look at it. I'm seeing X, A, B, C, D. I said it. So there is a harmonics on daily time frame. So this harmonic should be a retracement, a pullback. All right, and this should be a continuation pattern. So once there's a retracement up to this point, then we can enter again for a buy and get to 38.2. So by the moment, this week, at least more especially today and tomorrow, I should look for a opportunity on lower time frame to sell Euro USD. But the target, the next stop for Euro US should be 38.2. So you can see where it is right now. It's currently on a resistance. This point where the price is now is a resistance. So let me change the color to green, which indicates our entry point for Excel. Okay, so we should look for opportunity to sell this retracement. All right, so that's for Euro USD. Then USD CHF. Wow, this is amazing. USD CHF also did as analyzed. We told you that price is on the verge to fire down, where we had double top here. We started selling from this point, and also when it came down, and I told you that it will also retrace, and when it gets to this point, we start to sell. Let's look at our last week analysis for this USD CHF. Let's be specific. Let's just go to last week analysis for USD CHF. All right, for USD CHF, if you remember, when we said to get to this point, we will sell. It got there, it sold, and we had another one that we said that we will also sell. That was last week, but eventually price continued selling without actually pulling back. So this was last week. We said that this was what we draw last week. Yes, exactly this point. All right. Exactly this point was what we draw last week, and we said that price could actually, last week we said that price could actually pull back to this point or continue to go down. So it didn't actually pull back, it continued to go down as analyzed. But those that were waiting for a pullback missed the entry, and it continued to go down, and this is where the price is currently. So this week under review, let's go back to daily time frame. This week under review, you can see where the price is. So same thing on USD CHF, we should expect a pullback, which is what the price is currently trying to do today. We should expect a pullback, and then after that, price should continue to go down. So let's look at the new target for USD CHF. New target. Yeah, this should be our target. Here we have all these points. Yeah, this is the point. You can see where we drop. This should be our new target. This should be our new target for USD CHF. Let's drop it so that when it happens, we also come back and see how it fared. So for USD CHF, we should expect a pullback, and then price should go down up to this point. So that is it for USD CHF. So congratulations to all those that took the trade since we started selling USD CHF. We started selling from this point. If you measure, you see that this is over 700 pips made. I didn't measure the Euro USD. Let's measure the Euro USD from where we started buying Euro USD. If you measure, you see this also more than 600 pips. So our analysis was spot on since last month till this month. Right. So let's look at JPY index. JPY index, if you follow that video, you see that we've been buying JPY from this point to this point, and we told you last week that as it was going down, the highest it could go to is up to this point, and it will go back up again, and we're expecting price to go up to 78.6 or 88.6. So actually, for those that like to trade indices, Japanese index, you see that price actually did exactly that. It have touched the target. Look at it, 290 points. So it has touched the target based on our analysis. So at the moment now, I wouldn't be expecting you to still be on buy for Japanese index. So you can see it has touched our target, so it has already coming down. So that was why when the Japanese index was buying, that was why all this one also moved according to analyze, because I told you that if Japanese index is going up, JPY, it will affect other JPYs them. That was why CHF JPY actually moved down based on analysis. Look at where we started selling CHF JPY and it went down. All right. So this week, finally, let's look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP before we call it a day. Euro GBP, we also told you that Euro GBP should go down from this point or highest this point. So as analyzed last week, you can see when it touched here, it actually moved down. This is 90 pips. It moved down from this point, 90 pips, and it came down to second entry point, and from the second entry point also moved down 180 pips. So this week, from what I'm seeing this week, we should still expect from this point, if you want to trade GBP, Euro GBP this week, I'm expecting price from this point to move down again. So currently where the price is still okay to trade, so you can enter from this point for Euro GBP for a sell. So price should go down from this point for Euro GBP because it's currently at our second level. Let's extend it again so that this is for this week. So this particular point is where price have touched. You can see that it's being rejected. So at least this Euro GBP is currently at the entry point for a sell, so it's good to sell. You can enter within start execution if you see this video early and see that the price is still around this level. You can sell Euro GBP. All right, congratulations to all those that took our previous trades. So these are analysis for this week. As time goes on, we will come back. We'll have good entry point. We'll send it to the to our Telegram channel, Win for us to do this. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, and ensure you share this video. This is Dubis Forex Academy. Thank you very much for watching. Let's make profit this week. This week we pray that market will go as also we analyzed. All right, please trade with proper risk management. In all this analysis we've given, trade with proper risk management. Congratulations once again to all those that took our trades. See you in our next video. Before Friday we'll drop new video. We'll drop new video before Friday. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys.